Have you accidentally deleted an important Strava activity and now can't find it anywhere? Whether you deleted the activity recently, permanently deleted its GPX, TCX, or FIT file from your PC, or recorded it on a different Strava account, there are still a few recovery options you can try. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover your Strava activities in each of these situations. So, let's get started. If you accidentally deleted a Strava activity from your Android or iPhone, you can restore it from your Strava account's recently deleted folder. To do this, you'll need to log into your Strava account on your PC. Once you're logged in, go to the left side of your screen and click Activities. You'll be redirected to the My Activities page. Now, click Recently Deleted, and you'll see your deleted Strava activities. Simply click the Restore option next to the activity you want to recover, and it will be restored to your Strava account. Keep in mind that Strava only keeps deleted activities for up to 30 days from the date of deletion. After 30 days, the activity is permanently deleted and can't be recovered using this method. But what if your activity was deleted more than 30 days ago? There's another method you can try. If you previously exported an important Strava activity as a GPX, TCX, or FIT file, and that file was deleted from your computer, don't worry. First, check the recycle bin on your PC to see if you can restore it. However, if you've already emptied the recycle bin, you can use dedicated data recovery software, such as Stellar Data Recovery Professional, to try to recover the deleted activity file. If you've permanently deleted the GPX, TCX, or FIT file from your computer, you can try recovering it with Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Since these activity file types may not be detected by default, you'll first need to add the file format as a custom file type. Once you have the GPX files, open Stellar Data Recovery Professional. Click Add Raw File Formats, select Add File Type, and click Add Files here to import the GPX files. Then, click Next. Select the file group as Document, enter the maximum file size, and click Add. Also, you can repeat the same steps to add TCX and FIT file formats. Now, click What to Recover and select All Data. Uncheck the file categories, select Office Documents, and click Next. Click Choose Location, select the location where your original Strava activity files were stored, and click Scan. Once the scan is complete, navigate to the folder where your activity files were stored, and look for the deleted GPX files. Select the files you want to recover, click Recover, and save them to a different location. Once you've recovered your GPX, TCX, or FIT file, you can import the activity back into your Strava account using Strava's website. Open Strava, click the plus icon, and select Upload Activity. Click Choose Files and select the recovered GPX files from your PC. Enter the required details and click Save and View. That's how you can try to recover a deleted Strava activity file from your PC and upload it back to your Strava account. If your recent Strava activities are stored on another Strava account under a different email address, you can transfer them to your main Strava account. To do this, sign in to the Strava account containing the activities you want to recover using your web browser. Now, you'll need to request a bulk export from Strava. Click your profile icon, select Settings, and then choose My Account. Scroll down and click the Get Started button under Download Your Account. On the next page, click Request Download. Strava will send an email to your registered email address with a link to download your account data. This may take a few hours depending on the size of your account. Once you have received the email, click Download Archive to download your data. Now, extract the downloaded archive and open the Activities folder. Here, you'll find your Strava activities in GPX file format. Next, upload these GPX files to your main Strava account. Log in to your main account, click the plus icon, select Upload Activity, and click Choose Files. You can upload up to 15 files at once if you're not subscribed to Strava, or up to 25 files if you're a Strava subscriber. Select the files you want to upload and click Open. Then, fill in the required activity details. Finally, click Save and View. This is how you can transfer your Strava activities from a duplicate account to your main Strava account. So these are the different ways you can try to recover your deleted or missing Strava activities. If your activity was deleted within the last 30 days, check Strava's recently deleted folder first. If you previously exported the activity file and deleted it from your PC, you can try recovering the GPX, TCX, or FIT file using data recovery software. And if your activities are stored on another Strava account, you can transfer them to your main account. I hope this video helped you recover your important Strava activities. If it did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and I'll see you in the next one.